everyone, welcome to Virtual Journal. I'm Alice. I'm happy to have you back in my Drunk Journal with Me video. So I'm back with another tulip journaling. There was tulips left from the last tulip journaling. I think it was 2 journaling videos ago. I'll link it at the top and in the description box below in case you haven't watched it. So I pulled out all the tulips from the stash that I cut from Daphne's diary. And I'm looking for a page to work on. There was many choice left, so I thought, why not journal on the last page, including the inside cover. So I started to work on the layout. I placed a big illustrated tulip on the right side and a photograph of a tulip basket on the left. Then, of course, I wanted to back the photo. This is my October printable. I pulled out a red floral pattern. And this is November printable. I pulled out a vintage linen that has yellow monotone embroidery on it. So I'm trimming the pattern to the size and I just ripped the vintage linen printable. But I thought clean edge might be better, so I cut the edges with scissors. But eventually I glued the right edge back. I'm gluing the flower pots. And then before I glue the tag, I wanted to cover the text so I can journal on it. So I pulled out this cream colored grid paper, tore it to the size, then I wanted to ink the edges a little bit. This is Distress Ink vintage photo. So I added ink and kept gluing. Before I finished the page, I pulled out some mini ephemera and phrase die cuts to embellish the page a little bit more. Then I journaled and finished the page stamping the date on the ticket ephemera. So this is how today's journaling turned out. It was simple, but I love that it has like gardening theme going on and love the flower basket photo. I linked the previous tulip journaling video and all the journaling videos that I did with this Daphne's diary issue in the description box. Check them too if you like this video. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye, have a great day!